Guys, welcome back to the AI Hacks Daily, your shortcut to earning with AI. Want to earn money online in 2025 and 26? This 10 AI tool can help you start today, even if you have zero skills. Let's go straight into the tools. The first tool is Gamma.app. Turn any idea into professional presentations, PDFs, or landing page. Perfect for freelancing. Here is your income idea. Sell this presentation on Fiverr. The second tool is OpusClip, a AI video editor. Convert long videos into viral shots. Here is your income idea. Offer short editing service to the client. Find the client on Fiverr or Upwork. The third tool is Durable.co, AI website builder. Build a website for a small businesses in minutes. Here is your income idea. You can run a website building agency. Tool 4 Leonardo.ai, AI image generator. Create logos, product image or thumbnail or digital product from the Leonardo AI. Here is your income idea. Sell graphic packs on Etsy, Redbubble or Gumroad. Tool 5th is Munch content repurposing. Turn any videos into social media clip. Here is your income idea. Run a social media agency. The sixth tool is Writesonic, AI writing. Write blogs, ads, or SEO content with AI. Here is your income idea. Be a SEO writer. Tool 7 Tally.so Form Builder. Create advanced forms and survey instantly. Here is your income idea. Build client onboarding system. Here is your eighth tool Copy.ai, a AI marketing tool. You can use this tool to emails, scripts, or marketing content. You can offer a service of email marketing service. The tool 9 is Podium, review plus messaging automation. Business pay for review automation. Here is your income idea. Local businesses automation service you can offer. The 10th tool is Notion AI. Plan, manage project, generate notes. Here is your income idea. Notion workspace setup service you can offer to the client. If you want daily AI tool that save your time and help you earn online, subscribe right now. See you in the tomorrow's with another banger. Hit the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you.